Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make curry bread. First, let's prepare our dough. You'll need strong bread flour, active dry yeast, a little sugar, and warm milk. Combine the yeast with the warm milk and sugar, letting it bloom for about 5 minutes. Then, mix in the flour and knead until you have a smooth, pliable dough. Cover it and let it rise in a warm place until it doubles in size, which usually takes about 1 hour. While your dough is rising, let's make the delicious curry filling. Start by sautéing finely diced onions, carrots, and your choice of ground meat, like beef or pork, until everything is nicely browned. Next, stir in curry powder and a spoonful of flour, cooking for 1 minute to toast the spices. Gradually add broth, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens into a rich sauce. Season with salt, pepper, and a hint of honey for balance. Now for the fun part, assembling your curry bread. Punch down your risen dough and divide it into 8 equal pieces. Roll each piece into a flat, round disc, about 4 to 5 inches in diameter. Spoon a good amount of your cooled curry filling into the center of each disc. Carefully fold the dough over the filling, sealing the edges tightly to prevent any leaks during frying. Finally, coat each piece thoroughly in panko breadcrumbs. It's time to cook our curry bread. Heat about 2 inches of oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few pieces of curry bread into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pot. Fry them for about 3 to 4 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Remove them and let them drain on a wire rack. These are best enjoyed warm. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.